Now we will create our AI appointment setting demo, which will operate off the back of VoiceFlow and Calendly. We will integrate Calendly into our agent so that users can directly schedule appointments to the host's calendar. With Calendly, the host can set available dates and times for appointments, which makes tracking and setting appointments extremely convenient when integrating it into our agent. To get started, let's head over to Calendly and set up our account. First, you want to navigate to calendly.com, and from here, if you want to sign up with Google, you can go ahead, or you can just hit get started in the top right corner. Here, go ahead and enter your email. I'm just going to sign up with Google because it allows us to directly interact with our Google Calendar. It's going to ask us how we plan on using Calendly. Just select my own and then continue. Then from here, we can select one of these categories that we'd like. I'm just going to pick consulting. Now what we want to do is create a new event type. Depending on what you clicked in the last page, you will already have a preset event. But let's just go ahead and create our own. What I'm going to do is choose one-on-one, and we will be the host of this event. So we can just leave this as Pope and then hit next. Now let's give an event name for our booking. I'm just going to call it AI booking demo. Duration, we can leave it at 30 minutes. And what I want to do is actually schedule this with Google Meet. So we can just hit this drop down that says all options and then hit Google Meet. From here, let's go ahead and hit continue. Then we can go ahead and adjust our scheduling settings. So for instance, if we wanted to only allow them to book 14 days ahead, we could set that here. If we wanted to set the different days and hours, we could do that here, but I'll just leave that on default. We also want to have the options to set the buffer time and minimum notice, which will restrict users from just booking an appointment right before the time slot, and then a daily limit. So we can set a maximum amount of events we can do per day, the maximum amount of bookings. And then we have some additional options such as our time zone display. Right now we have use invitees. So whatever time zone the invitee is on is what will be displayed in Calendly. And then the start time increments, which you can see sets the frequency of available time slots for the invitees. So let's just save and close this. Now that we are all set up in our Calendly, in the next lesson, we'll take the functionality that we've built for the War Room and AI customer support management agent, copy that over to our booking agent and add some functionality for them to schedule appointments, which we are going to say allows them to contact one of our elite members and build a battle strategy.